Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chaga tincture using the dual extraction method. This process is crucial because chaga contains both alcohol-soluble and water-soluble compounds. To fully benefit from this powerful mushroom, we need to extract both types. The alcohol extraction targets triterpenes, which are vital for chaga's adaptogenic properties. Meanwhile, the hot water extraction focuses on polysaccharides, known for their immune-modulating effects. By combining these two, you create a truly comprehensive and potent tincture. The first step is the alcohol extraction. You'll need about 100 grams of dried chaga, finely chopped or ground. Place this into a clean glass jar. Then, pour 1 liter of 80-proof alcohol over the chaga, ensuring it's fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and let it steep for a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks in a cool, dark place. Remember to shake the jar daily to help with the extraction. After steeping, strain out the liquid, but keep the alcohol-soaked chaga. We'll use it again. Next, we move to the hot water extraction. Take the chaga that was previously soaked in alcohol and transfer it to a non-reactive pot. Add 1 liter of distilled water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 2 to 3 hours. The goal is to reduce the liquid by approximately 1/2, creating a concentrated decoction. Once it is reduced, carefully strain the water extract, making sure to press out all the remaining liquid from the chaga solids. This ensures maximum extraction of the water-soluble compounds. Finally, it's time to combine our 2 powerful extracts. Take your strained alcohol extract and gently mix it with the concentrated hot water extract. Stir them together thoroughly to ensure all the beneficial compounds are evenly distributed throughout your tincture. Once combined, transfer your finished chaga tincture into dark glass dropper bottles. This helps protect it from light degradation. Store your tincture in a cool, dark place, and it will remain potent and effective for several years, ready for your daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.